Hi class, it's Mrs. Gooch again. So today in class we learned about how to draw a net for a pyramid, find the surface area of a pyramid, and we didn't quite get to finding the surface area of pyramids in the real world context. We'll do that tomorrow. So pause this if you don't have the I-CANs and let's review. So in class we talked about how when we draw a net, we always start with whatever shape is going on in the base. So here I've outlined the base in yellow highlighter, and that base is a square. And so right now I'm just drawing my square and I'm putting in my units so I remember what units go with where. Now I draw in my triangles that make the pyramid part. Every time we're working with a pyramid, we will be working with a base that is connected up to a point using triangles. So here we have our net, and I'm going to put in the slant height right here on this one, but because this is a square, all of the triangles will be identical. So really all I have to do is the math for one of them. So now I need to find the surface area of each shape in the net. So again, I like to start with my base, and I see that the base is a 5 by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Now when I do the area of a triangle, I have to remember that we are using the area for a triangle equals 1/2 the base times the height. And in this situation, it's 1/2 times the base of 5 times the height. So I type that into my calculator and I get out 20. So I know each one of these triangles is also 20. Take a second, pause the video, and add up the area to find the surface area for this three-dimensional shape. Alright, so you can see here I have put down the addition. I did the exterior triangles first, 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 25 the base. And that gave me 105, and my units are inches, and because it's area, we're talking squared. Okay, so let's try one now that is just a little different in shape. These ones are harder to see for lots of reasons. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our base. And again, the base is this guy right here. So the base is a triangle. So I'm going to draw my triangle. And I'm going to put my units in immediately so I know what's going on. And I also have to put in my height so I know where all of the numbers end up. So here's my units. This is 10. I know it's 10 because over here, this 10 is where the right angle meets for the height of my base triangle. And the height of that is that 8.7. So now I just quickly go through and I make triangles off of each of the side of the other triangle. They don't have to be perfect. The most important part here is making sure you have in the numbers. So now I see that the last number I haven't used is this 14. So this 14 is going to go as my slant height or my height for my outside triangles. Okay? Now the base is still going to be that 10. So now I go through and I find my surface area for each one. Go pause the video and try it yourself. All right. right, so here you can see I found the area for each of the triangles involved in this pyramid. I found the base to be 43.5, and then the 3 outside triangles that make up the lateral faces to be 70 each. So I ended up with 253.5. We are working in meters, and this is area, so it is squared. All right, class, thank you for watching. Bye.